So, good morning to everyone. In this Excel video, what we want to look at is this spreadsheet called the Decorators Palace. And we'll have a read and then we'll design the spreadsheet. All right, so just to get the storyline, the Decorators Palace is a small business that provides decorating services for many occasions, such as weddings, parties, prayer meetings, graduations, work conferences, to name a few. Employees in this company are employed mostly part-time, and they are paid according to the hours worked. Design a spreadsheet for this company that holds data on its monthly payroll as follows. So we have first name, last name, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And you can see we have some names, and these are the number of hours that has been worked. Let me just get a cursor. All right, so we have our what we call our column headings, right? First name, last name, week 1, going down straight down to salary. Those are our column headings. Basically, our data is all of these. You could see in the column total hours, we have to get figures, and that will come from adding up all of the hours worked per week. For example, for Kayla, sure. And then to get the salary, we'll have to work out something using a formula. If you remember your your form 3 mathematics, right? Basic wage is hours multiplied by rate, and that will give us our salary. So let's have a read. Using an appropriate formula, calculate in G2 the total hours worked for Kayla. Copy this formula to find the total hours worked for each employee. So we know we have to do that. In I2, the salary entered by Kayla, the salary earned by Kayla. Copy this formula to find the salary earned by each employee. So we have to calculate the salary earned by Kayla and then copy the formula to each employee. In H13, enter the text total salary using an appropriate formula. In cell I13, calculate the total salary paid to all its employees. Format hourly rate, salary, total salary to currency, and set it to two decimal places. All right, so let's get these tasks done. What I've done in Excel, right? Excel, this is my spreadsheet. Well, I've done this a few times. So basically, you will wind up with something like this. All right, but to do it from scratch, I will just okay. So what we need is to find the total hours worked for Kayla Shaw. So I put my cursor in cell G2 and I simply click on the auto sum function. When I press enter, I will get the total hours worked for Kayla Shaw for the month is 140. I will copy this formula. If you notice in the formula bar, when I am in G2, you're not seeing the figure 140, you are seeing equal sign sum, open bracket C2 to F2, close bracket. So we're going to copy that formula. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to highlight, hold on your left mouse button, drag to the rest of the employees, and I press enter. And basically, I get the total hours worked for each employee. They also ask us to calculate the salary for each employee, so I will do so. Again, I come to my formula bar. Remember, every formula begins with an equal sign, so we type in equal sign, and I'm going to take G2. I'm going to multiply it. G2 stores the hours, the total hours for the month, and I'm going to multiply it by the hourly rate. Let's just expand this. G2 multiplied by H2. Right. So I get salary for Kayla Shaw. Again, I'm going to copy the formula. So I'm copying the formula from I2. I'm pasting it for the rest of the employees. And I've gotten a salary for every employee. All right. I just want to put in the borders here.